Tonight we're going to talk about the TLR-7A FLEX. Now we're going to take a close look at it. I'd like to thank Angel at STREAMLIGHT for sending this flashlight for review. Angie at Alien Gear had sent me the new Proton holster for review, and the STREAMLIGHT that I had would not fit it. It needed this particular size light to fit in it. Now you can see how that fits. This is a nice light. It's made for concealed carry. It takes one CR123 lithium battery, which comes out the front. You have a lockout on the front too. It comes with a strobe deactivated, but you can activate with the 10-tap system that they have. It has the high pedals on it on the rear, which makes it really convenient. And you can also put the low ones, they come in the package. It has constant on, monetary on, and strobe. And great for the concealed carry. And you can see it has a wider footprint. And I also have a few other STREAMLIGHTs I want to go over with for everybody. And just to show, I'm a big fan of them. This is the TLR-7A. It's a warm light. It's got really good throw to it. And the strobe is really nice too. But as you'll see, it does not really have a hot spot in the center. The TLR-1-HL, you can see it. It does have more of a hot spot in the center and not quite as much flood. And with the strobe. This is the ProTac 2.0 2000 lumen light. It has a little hot spot in the center too. This is the Marco. It is a 500 lumen light, and it's warm and does not have a hot spot. This is the ProTac 2L-X. It's a 500 lumen light. And it has a little hot spot, but not bad. Also has a strobe. And let's not forget the wedge. It's a 300 lumen light with a 1000 lumen burst. Now for the final words. Now I think everyone can see the TLR-7A FLEX will make a great concealed carry light for you. And again, I want to thank STREAMLIGHT for being supportive of this channel. They've sent that light, they sent this weapon light, and they sent these two STREAMLIGHTs in the last few months. Can't say anything bad about these people, and they have great warranty and customer service, and have a serial number on here, and you can register it, and they will stand behind the warranty. Don't forget, there's a Bearded Sharpener Facebook page. Check out all the STREAMLIGHT products. I have a whole lot more than this. I just didn't have enough room on the desk to show them. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.